Hello, my cuties. How y'all doing today on this hump day? Okay, as you notice, my hair is wet. It's very, 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 very short. Now, I got a little something from Amazon. So, let's open it up and see how to work this. This is the first time I've ever done this, so I am excited. Okay. Okay. Away. Okay. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. I said I've never worn. Oh, wig cap. A wig before, and I don't like my hair this short, so this is going to be something new. Okay. This cap has little things there. I mean, oh my gosh. Am I supposed to like fluff it out? I mean, look. I mean, look how pretty and flowy it is. Okay. Now, I know there's a clip that I really don't think I have to use. So I'm just going to put it in a little spot. There we go. Okay. 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 I love the color so far. So, put it right there. Okay. Now, for the cap. Okay, so it says put on. I don't know how this is really supposed to go. I guess like okay. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to go. Okay, okay. Okay, let's get up here. There we go. Okay. So let's get the wig on and see how it looks. Okay. Ha, ha. Oh, oh. Yes. Okay, I gotta see. Okay. Let me make sure it gets down. Oh my gosh, I love it. Now, I'll be all set to go for my nephew's graduation on Friday. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the color. What do you guys think? Is it too long on one side? I don't want to mess with it. Because I think it's like how it's supposed to go, like the ankle bob look, I guess. But I'm not going to cut it. I'm not going to cut it. I might take it to go get cut. Maybe. Because I love the length like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This is my wig unboxing from Amazon. It is the wine color. It's the Miss Wig Style MS 9001. Don't take time, I'm gently trying. I like it. I'm keeping it. I'm so excited. I love it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. Different cakey. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As much as I enjoyed making it, having fun unboxing, putting on the wig. If you did, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if not already subscribed. And hit that notification bell so you know when my videos go up. I love you guys. Smooches and hugs. Bye!